Alright, today we're going to bring a bidet, and if you guys don't know what this is pretty much, it's to clean somewhere in the bottom. I'm not going to mention the names, but it comes with a long holes, if you guys can see that. This comes with two adapters, two actually rubber gaskets, if you guys can see. This is the actual splitter for your line, alright? So you have two lines to split this whole thing, alright? And it's very simple to put together. You got your off and on in case it's dripping or it opens up. They give you plumbing tape, and here's the actual main holes, all right? Now this one has a little lever here, and this is where it's gonna come out. If you guys can see little dots right there, it's hidden in there. All you gotta do is go up and down. And this hangs on the side of the actual toilet. And they give you this little hanging area, so you can just completely hang it in there. So I like this whole thing. It comes with a little handle, so you can handle there. And we're going to test it out to see how strong is the spray, all right? So this will hang on the side of the toilet, all right, on the toilet. And then the holes are going to hang in there with the holes, all right? So we're going to put this together. I want to see how strong this thing is. So all you got to do is make sure you put the gaskets in there, and they go in here, and you tie it up in here and set it up. So let's test it out. All right, so here it is. Look how powerful it is. All right, I'm just showing you guys. You could turn it off. Let me turn it off, on. Really powerful. Now, you can warm it up if you have your water set up, but look at this. It is really good. So, I like it. So, if you guys are looking for something for your bathroom to put on your toilet as a bidet, really simple, off and on switch.